Hey everyone! Today I'm bringing you a brand new bot that's about to drop, and if you don't register for it, you'll be missing out on a huge opportunity. I've had people coming to me saying, "We missed out on bottle dogs. What can I do?" Prices have gone up now, but that doesn't matter. The important thing is that we made some free gains. The bot I'm going to explain today is just like that. If you don't register now, you'll regret it later, just like with the dogs. The bot will launch, and people who didn't sign up will be left out. But there's no risk here, folks. It's all free. All I'm asking you to do is to sign up for the bot. You'll find all the links you need in the description box, including the link to our Telegram channel. Join it because I post exclusive updates there before they go live on YouTube. Let's dive straight into the tutorial. You'll find the bot link in the description box. When you click on it, the page will open up like this. You'll start by clicking play and get right into the game. I want to show you their Telegram channel first to check out the latest updates. Today, they announced that the airdrop is almost here. As you can see, they're asking, "Are you ready for the airdrop?" Over 4 million players have already set up their wallets, getting ready to receive the X Empire tokens. Don't forget to link your wallet before it's too late because the airdrop is coming soon. Let's jump into the bot itself. The bot is simple, but there are a few things I want to show you. The first is linking your wallet. You'll click on the 3 lines on the right, then click on Airdrop and link your wallet. The first thing it'll ask you to do is connect your wallet, and then it'll ask you to make a small transaction. This transaction is needed because the airdrop is tied to the TON network. It's completely safe. No scams here. The fee is just $0.1, so it's nothing to worry about. You should receive your airdrop by the end of September or early October. You'll earn rewards every hour, and you'll also see the total amount you've gathered so far. If you click on your profile picture in the top left, it'll show your full history, your current level, hourly earnings, and card upgrades. Every time you earn coins in the game, head over to the Improve section and buy cards to boost your earnings. Your profits will increase every hour, and the community you're in also counts. All right, everyone, if you want to boost your profits, here's what you need to do. First, go to mining and upgrade the items there. These items unlock at certain levels, but once you reach them, buy everything to increase your coin generation. Most importantly, complete the daily quests. They boost your earnings, allowing you to buy the cards that increase your profits. So that's all the new stuff in the bot. The airdrop is almost here. Use your time wisely and start working now. Don't wait until it's too late and then come asking why you didn't register. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.